beautiful day on my farm.
Oh, wow!
Everything looks healthy today. Ready for work, my orange buddy? Let's go check the fields near the river. Huh? What's that's in the water? Oh no, the water path is blocked. Don't worry, little fish. I will help you. This is too big for my hands. I know who can help. My crane friend.
Hold on, fish friends! I'll be back with help!
Crane buddy, I need your help at the river. The river is blocked. The fish are stuck. Let's save the river together.
Here we come, fish friends! Slow and steady. We must not spill anything.
I'm back. Help is here.
All right, Crane. Let's clear this mud first.
Easy, let's slowly. Good job. The water is starting to move. See? We can fix anything together. Wait. There's still something blocking underneath. Oh, wow. Those rocks are huge. Don't worry. We'll lift them one by one. Come on, you can do it!
Yes, that's it! Keep lifting!
Great teamwork, my crab friend! Let's clean the mud too so fish can swim freely. Slowly, don't splash the fish. Look, the water is clear again. Everyone can swim happily again. That feels fresh. We did it. Swim freely, little friends. Great job today, buddy. This farm is safe again. That looks a bit strong. Oh, the current is getting stronger. Oh no, the bank might collapse. Not good at all. We need to build a stronger edge.
All right, round 2 begins.
Let's build a strong wall with these stones. Easy, place them nicely. Good, it's holding strong. Oops, don't fall out. This wall is getting stronger. This wall is getting stronger. That gap needs smaller stones. Perfect! Fill it tight. Yes! It's stable now! This riverbank is safe again. Teamwork makes everything better. Looks like rain is coming. Let's see if our wall is strong enough.
Stay strong. Don't move. It's working!
We did it again! This is the best farm ever. Stay safe, my little friends. Couldn't have done it without you. Another great day saved. See you on the next adventure!
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.